प्यारे बच्चों, today we study the chemical properties of alkyne. First chemical property of alkyne is acidic character of alkyne. When alkyne react with when terminal alkyne, basically हम क्या बोलेंगे terminal alkyne. This mean here this is the simplest alkyne, ethyne, carbon triple bond carbon hydrogen. These two hydrogen are terminal hydrogen. These two hydrogen are terminal hydrogen. When the terminal hydrogen containing alkyne react with the sodium metal, so due to this terminal hydrogen are acidic nature, so it react with alkyne to form monosodium ethanide plus hydrogen gas. So this hydrogen gas evaluate with pop sound. This is the basic reaction of we study in class 10th when a acid react with metal to produce hydrogen gas plus salt plus hydrogen gas. So here is mono substituted salt. This is the monosodium ethanide salt. So it means this salt formation plus this hydrogen gas, and this is the sodium metal. So here we are conclude that this acetylene, this ethyne is acidic character. This ethyne is acidic character due to produce of hydrogen gas. Another example, when this mono substituted ethanoid again react with sodium metal, it is formed disodium ethanoid plus hydrogen gas. And third example is 1, 2, 3. Prop 1 ion. Prop 1 ion react with sodamide NaNH2. NaNH2. So it sodamide Na positive plus NH2 negative. So this is the basic. NH2 negative is basic base. This is base. So this is a base. When base are absorb this terminal hydrogen, so NH3, NH2 plus H NH3. So NH3 gas are evaluated and form sodium propanoid salt. So these two methods are identify to alkyne is acidic character. Alkyne is show acidic character. So acidity is directly proportional to percentage of S character. More is percentage of S character, more is acidic nature. So acidity is alkyne, alkene and alkane. So in alkyne, sp hybrids and alkene are sp2 hybrids and alkane are sp3 hybrids. More is the percentage of S character, more is acidic. So alkyne is more acidic than alkene, then alkane. Another example is these three compound are given. So find out the acidic character. So more is terminal hydrogen, so acidic character are increased. So here are the two terminal hydrogen more acidic than one single terminal hydrogen, it is second, and here is no terminal hydrogen, so it is acidity is less. So this acidity to ethyne, then 1 2 3 propine, and 1 2 3 4 but 2 ion, but 2 ion. So ethyne are more acidic than propine, then but 2 ion. So basically acidic character, acidic trend is acidity is directly proportional to oxidation state. More is the oxidation state, more is acidic. Acidity is directly proportional to electronegative atom. more is electronegative atom या more electronegative atom attached, so more acidic. Or acidity is directly proportional to percentage of S character. More is the percentage of S character, more is acidic. So in this class we study acidic character of alkyne. First chemical property is acidic character of alkyne. So basically the alkyne, how to alkyne acidic, we are two method used. First method used to sodium metal and second is used sodamide NaNH2. When sodium metal react with alkyne to form hydrogen gas plus salt, and sodamide react with alkyne to form ammonia gas. These two gas are evaluate. So these two gas are identify alkyne is acidic nature. आपको अगर क्लास अच्छी लगे तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। यहाँ पे ये दो क्वेश्चन जो हमने किए हैं ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और बहुत बार कंपटीशन में आए हुए हैं। दोनों के दोनों क्वेश्चन बार बार आते हैं कंपटीशन के अंदर। थैंक यू वेरी मच।